Hi guys, welcome back to Horilla Technical Series. Today we are going to discuss how to use custom list templates. The default list table can be extended or you can even use custom templates in our Horilla List View. This is the default Horilla List View. If you want to add anything below the table or above the table, you can extend the our Horilla List table. If you want to change the entire design of the table, you need to add the custom template. For that, we have an attribute in our code called a template name. Let's go to the code and let's add template name. Here we want to add the custom template name. For that, I am just adding custom shift list .html. Custom shift list.html. I have already created this custom shift HTML here. This is an empty. Now we want to add the templates here. For that, first we need to load static and I1 static is for loading images and static files, and I1 is for loading translations. Here now we want to include from generic Horilla list tab. Okay. Now we have added this, and when we go to the template in our web page, we can see no difference. We can see no difference because we have just added the same template here. If you remove this, this will be an empty page. Okay. Now, if you want to add anything below the template, we can just add the HTML here. I'm adding. This is a footer. When we refresh this, we can see this is a footer here and the bottom of the table here. And we can style this using tailwind classes. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a text. Right. Now I go to refresh this. You can see marginal this here. Like that, you can even add this in the header also. You can see it header and footer. If you want to do the complete custom table, you can copy the Horilla list table and make the necessary changes here, and you can use the custom table in the template. For example, you can refer our attendance request tab here. This HTML is a custom HTML which we use for our attendance request tab because we want to add different colors and others in our list table. And so you can refer this. Okay guys, that's all about using custom list template and extending the list template. I hope you guys understand what we discussed today. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below or reach out to us at support@horilla.com. Thank you.